Welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to make project number 2, which is this really pretty card, probably my favorite of the set for this video. We've got our card base, we've got our card front, we've got the Sweet Spring Greetings message, and then we've got the 3 flowers and the 4 sets of leaves. Now I've already put the adhesive dots on the back of those because you don't need to watch me do that multiple times. So what we're going to do is we are going to ink up our stamp. Making sure we've got good coverage, and we do. We're going to stamp that down right in the middle like that. There we go. And now we just need to build. So I need this one, I need dimensionals on this one. I need one here, one here, 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 and then a couple in the middle, like that. Okay, so we're just gonna, again, watch me peel the backs off adhesives. If you have a piercing tool or something like that, that can make this quicker and easier. But again, I only like to use what's in the kit to put the actual kit pieces together. So this is going to go down like that, okay? And then I think I need to put my leaves down first. So I'm just going to peel the backs off of the adhesive dots on the leaves. Okay, and one goes like this. And like this. Okay, and then we do the same thing on the opposite corner. With one. So I'm trying to decide if they go under or over. I think they go over. So we're just going to pop that one like that. And this one like this. Okay. And then we put 3 flowers down. So we're putting 1 at the bottom. And now I'm trying to decide, I've done, okay, so if you're doing this, there are 2 different leaves. There's one that goes one way and one that goes the other. And I have 3 out that go all the same way. So I need to do one that goes the other direction. So I'm just going to add a couple of dots to this one. I didn't realize there was 2 different directions in the flowers. So there are indeed 2 different directions in the flowers. So this is going to pop down like this. And then I can take this one that I've already peeled, pop it down. This one goes here like this. And then this one goes like this. Excellent. Okay, that is such a pretty card. Now, I need 4 of the orangey ones. So let's see if I can figure out where they go. Okay. I'm putting 1 there like that. Oh, I had 2 there. Okay, 1 like that. 1 up there like that. One down here like this. And oh, this one goes down. There's no sticky left on that one. Okay. This one goes down here like this. Okay. Oh, the one that was up top didn't stick. Okay. You might need to just use a pickup tool, like your take your pick tool or something like that, just to make sure the adhesive stays on the back of the sequins. Okay. And then I'm using one of the clear ones. Yeah, having said I like to only use what's in the kit. I need to use the take your pick tool, and then the other one goes over here. This really is a brain teaser, figuring out where all the sequins go. So anyway, that is the project number 2 for our paper pumpkin kit this month. So stay tuned for project number 3 and that first alternate.